Hello, my friends. I love this book. It's called Grumpy Bird by Jeremy Tankard. And boy, wait till you see this. He's like super grumpy. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. He was even too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking, said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. Oh, good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, okay? It's no fun. I'm just walking. Oh, nice. I'll come too. Bird walked past Rabbit. Boing, boing, boing. Hi there, Bird. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. Ooh, I could use some exercise. I'll come too. Boing, boing, boing. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? Ooh, it looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'll come along too. Bird walked past Beaver. Oh, hello, Bird. What are you doing? Oh, let me give you a hint. You do it by putting one foot in front of the other. Oh, it's just walking, okay? It's no fun. It's walking. Oh, it does sound like fun. I think I'll come too. Bird walked past Fox. Well, good day, Bird. What are you doing? Why does everybody want to know that? I'm just walking, okay? Oh, okay, let's go. Bird walked, the other animals walked. Bird stopped, and the other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. You're right, the other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped, and the other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who, by the way, had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. He was pretty grumpy in the beginning there, wasn't he? But I think his friends helped him along, didn't they? And that's the story of Grumpy Bird.